In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update font styles in Base44. We'll walk through a simple, practical way to change the look of your text so your design feels more polished and consistent. Even though the process is short, I'll slow it down a bit and explain what each action actually does so you understand not just how to do it, but why you're doing it. First, make sure you're in the Base44 editor with your page or project open. You should be looking at your layout, where you can see the different sections, headings, buttons, and any text blocks you've already added. To start updating a font style, the key is to select the element you want to change. This could be a heading, a paragraph, a label, or any text-based component on your canvas. Move your cursor over the element until you see that it's highlighted or outlined. Then click directly on that element. You should notice that it becomes active and any associated settings or properties will appear in the editor, usually in a side panel or toolbar. Taking a moment to select the right element is important because any changes you make will only apply to what's currently active. If you accidentally select the wrong item, just click somewhere else or reselect the correct text block before moving on. Once your element is selected, look for the text formatting controls in the editor interface. In Base44, you'll want to find the small T icon, typically styled with an underline or something that clearly suggests text formatting. This icon represents your text style or typography settings. Click on that T icon. When you do, a set of font-related options will open up. This is where you can adjust things like the font family, size, weight, line height, or other style properties, depending on what Base44 makes available in that menu. If you're making design decisions for a brand or a client, it's a good idea to stick with a defined set of fonts and sizes so your project looks consistent from page to page. After you've made your adjustments, take a quick look at the element on your canvas to confirm everything looks the way you expect. If something feels off, simply click the T icon again and tweak those settings until you're happy with the result. And that's it. By selecting your element and using the T icon to adjust its text style, you can quickly update the font styling in Base44 and keep your designs clean, readable, and on brand.